Hello, myself
Hi,
Vaishnavi
myself
Desai. I have completed
Drishti.
my
I have
master's in
completed
computer
my
science.
internship
After
with
that, I
Unified
have
Mentor as
joined
a
6 month
full stack
internship
web
program in
development
Unified
intern. It was
Mentor.
a great
In
learning
that
experience.
internship, I
I
have
got to
worked on
work
4
on the
projects.
projects
These
like
are 4 different projects.
Weather
First
app,
one is
which uses API
stock market
integration or
analysis.
student teacher booking
Second one is
appointments,
laptop price
which also uses
analysis. Third one is
Firebase and
Netflix
Cloud
data
Firestore.
cleaning.
I
And
had
fourth one is IBM
such
HR
a great time
attrition
working on
and
this
risk
project,
performance.
which
During this
makes my
internship
knowledge
program, I
or
have
my
learned
theoretical
data
knowledge
collection,
worked
data
into the
manipulation,
practical
data
ones.
cleaning, data
It
modeling, and
improved
data
my skills in
visualization.
HTML, CSS,
Thank you so much,
JavaScript,
Unified
and
Mentor, for
also
giving me
I
this
happened to
opportunity.
learn new
Thank you.
skills like React,
Hello,
Node,
myself
and
Vaishnavi
Firebase
Desai.
as
I
well.
have completed my
I
master's
had
in
such a
computer
great time.
science.
Overall, the
After that, I
mentors
have
in
joined
Unified
6 month
Mentor are so
internship program
supportive.
in
Any
Unified
doubts can
Mentor.
be solved if I
In that
message them or
internship,
call them in
I have
any
worked
time,
on 4
which
projects.
was a
These
great
are
thing
4
which
different
makes
projects.
every
First one
task
is
easier.
stock market
Thank
analysis.
you, Unified
Second one
Mentor,
is
for
laptop
giving me
price
this
analysis.
opportunity,
Third
and
one
I
is
would
Netflix
recommend to
data
all the
cleaning.
students to
And
gain the
fourth one is
work
IBM HR
experience and
attrition
the
and
real
risk
life
performance.
experience to this.
During
Thank
this
you.
internship